Yes, my people. Good night, good night, good night, good night, good night again, my people. Yes, man. Manners and respect, you know. Yeah, man. Ella Biggs there in our kitchen again in the night, my people. Want max up on a little pot of soup. Yes, my people. So I cook some red pea soup in the night, my people. So we have a one chicken we have a chop up. Yes, man. We are going to pressure some peas because you don't know hours, you know. Yes, man, the work of my people. I understand, I must have a pay night video me I shoot, but I don't know anything. I don't pay night video, so we have some day video, but I try to go on my people. We're going to set on some peas that go on pressure. Yes, my people, so now stay tuned. Yes, my people, see it? We'll set on the peas and to boil, so we have some garlic, piece of scallion and piece of thyme, my people. Yes, man, so we're going to throw this in the pressure cooker. Yes, man. Keep the paper, so we're throwing them there. We have a lucky pressure cooker here, I'm going to make them go on. Yes, my people. A big bear, I don't know anything there. Yeah, man. So we'll prepare some red pea soup in the night on my paper. Yes, man. I don't know how big a pressure cooker going on run. I pressure the peas in the people because I don't know how it's done. Yes, man, so I get to working on night on my paper. Yes, my people, so I don't know soup or boil, I'm going to say. Red pea soup in the night. I still have to use my chicken, my people, because I know we don't know raw thing, you understand? Yes, man, I have to throw two Maggi pan in the stead when I rub him in, Yes, man. Simple 1, 2, G. Just like that, my people, then I have to put him in the pot. Eat the paper. So peas cook and ready. Some people say, so running in the meat then. We cut them junk in, people, because I don't know a soup. I want meat in a plate, so there. Some people say, see that? I'll cover up my thing down there and boil. Eat no paper. I have some things over here, so I want to cut up. I have some pumpkin and sweet potato and carrot and Irish, my people. And over here, so we have 2 green banana, my people. We have a cut up in a that side way too. And we have a good old yellow yum. Eat the paper? Yeah, man. Before we do that, my people, I'm going to drink up some food. We start with the pumpkin, so you just cut them like that. Yes, man, because I'm going to say, soup for a boil, you understand? I have to put it dice up, nothing, you understand? Yes, man. People, this is a way to do your pumpkin. You don't have to peel off everything, you just skim it, just like this. Yes, my people. Skim up, you understand? Yeah. Don't know I'm going in the kitchen on the paper. Yes, man. Nice music in the background going bunks. All we have all vibes. So we have the sweet potato, my people. This is the orange sweet potato. Yes, man. We have carrot. Yes, man, just simple scrape of carrot, my people. So we do them like this. We're not going to dice them. We'll split them in 4. Eat my people. Everybody do them thing in a different style, different ways. Yeah, man. You don't want everything cook out and when done no food in the pot, so I don't know anything now. have some little Irish. When you want to cut some of them just do like that, call them little. Some people them small. Now this one is the yellow sweet potato. You see the people, so you have two different types. I have all different type of sweet potato. So this is the orange, we have the yellow and we have the white. That's the people, so I'm going to peel the yum. The paper. Yum time, yum time, yum time. Come to the yellow yum. To the yellow yum, my people. Be very careful with this, you know, people. You scratch out the sickness. Yes, man. You don't know what to do when you scratch out the sickness, my people. You never peel it again or you just stop eating it. So you deal with it. Man, you don't know how it up kitchen here. Yes, man. Nice berry salmon. Yeah. People. Just slice him like that. Yeah, man. Some people. So we have a four of them in this. You are going to cut up some more carrot and paper. I'm going to do the banana on my paper. So this is all the banana on my paper. Yes, people, this is how you do them. Just keep my from there. See them people? So we deal with them, huh? Yes, man. So we're not gonna peel them, we're skinning off some of the corners of it. Yeah. Just like that. Yes, my people, so I'm going to rinse them off, said we. Yes, man. My people, now we're going to dice them up. So I'm going to do like this, my people. Yeah, we're going to slice them. Body make them soup all different ways, you know, people. I understand? Yes, man, because we can do it in all different ways too. But that's why it's about tonight. It's about the way, my people. Yes, man. Remember, you know, people, everything going cooking. Everything going eat. I want that my pot can work, people. I want that my pot can work. I'm gonna need the cauliflower, you know, people. I will have to go transfer my pot, you know, people. So a bigger pot, you know. People, yes, so we're going to take a look what going on for the chicken over this in a pot and do. And we're going to run in and straight away. Yes, some people need to see what's going on. Yes, people look good. Look wonderful, people, and you're not half ready. Yes, man, you're not half ready, people. Half ready, my people. People don't know me talk about. See pot almost already, people. Yes, my people. I feel like I have to go transfer the pot to a bigger pot, you know, my people. Yes, my people. So stay tuned. Yes, my people, food done cut up for the soup pot, you know, so I don't know what's going on now. The next one, cornmeal. Flour for throwing out the pot. Yes, my people. More than nothing, people. What if I food in a base instead, yes? Yes, I. So we'll put that this now and run in some cornmeal. Yes, man. I'll put the cornmeal bust. I'm gonna check still. Clean up back same time. Quick and fast that out. We'll pour a little salt, people. This one we're going to need this. Simple like this. Yeah. This one. So we'll pour the water. I will transfer the pot to, you know, people. We'll put on the right pot now. Yes, my people, not over that we saw so much food now peeling at night. Yes, my people. The deep pot over this one, my people. I transfer it pot in. Transfer it pot in, my people. Boil up to, you know, people. I'll show you what's going on. Come back to the floor. See my people. See my people. It's boiling. Yes, man, it's boiling, people. It's boiling. One more thing, my people, like, subscribe and share, and please click the notification bell. Yes, my people, so you see it. Watch it splash, you know, watch it splash. Yes, my people. going in and pot them with paper. The people so then I go cook. Yes man. I go cook. Chicken and everything in the cut up in my people. You see it? Yes man, see peas. Peas don't hide down one part. You know which part don't go. I don't know how don't go see name but you don't have one part to hide. Yes man. See that? Yes man. Time. Yes man, flower time. I wonder what I'm doing people, but let me make a guess. Guess I'm doing people. What I'm doing. Can anyone guess and tell me what I'm doing here? Alright. Nobody now guess. I'm going to show you what I'm going. Show you what I'm going people. Okay? I'm going to make the flour and put on it, you understand? Yeah. This is how we make the dumpling. Take the paper and rest them on it. So when you're ready to take it up in our itch. Yes, my people. So you do it just like that. Yes, man. You see it, my people? I roll up 2 dumplings. Farming flour. Yes, man. So we take a pinch of this. The body make them flour different still on my people. But also I love mixing. Yes, man. Also I love mixing. See my people? Yes, man. Don't know no people, big up all who watch my channel and I don't know. Big up to all who don't see it yet. Said it. Yes, man. One love, you know, people. Blessings. Yes, man. Blessing all the while, you know. Yes, my people. Day and night you are going to do the work. Yes, man. Alright, my people, so I don't know. Subscribe, like, and share. Yes, my people. Pattern no. See what going on in this if the flour ready for going. Yes, man. Yes, my people. Flour ready for going, man. Yes, man. It's a boil, man. Yes, man. See my people, flour ready. Flour and I'm gonna people so when you cook it on dumplings. Yes, man. A flour, you know. I turn dumpling it with people. So when I see what I go on with people. Looking wonderful with people. Yes, man. We have all different type of people. Yes, man. So the one that take them a stink like Titanic people. Yes, man. So you put in the little beanie one, man. Yes, man. We call them spinners. Not 38 spinners, me I talk about, you know, people are not going, you know. Spinners. Flour. Yes, people. I don't know how I vibe this up, you know. I make a story with people and see what's going. I make a story up and see what's going on in there. So now see what's going on. Hold on, the people. I don't feel like I'm ready for this attack. Hold on. One I can tour it. Yes, I think the one I can tour it. They're going in a pot of tour it. Yes, man, tour it, man. People. Yes, man. Tour we are tour it. Alright. Yes, people. Looking wonderful now, people, and you know, season it, you know, my people. Yes, man, you know, season it, man. Yes, my people, so we have Scotch bonnet pepper, a scallion, and we have thyme. We have a piece of ginger down there, so. And we have 2 pieces of garlic, my people. Cause seasoning time now, you know, people. And yes, I have some pimento, but I crush it out to get the flavor. Yes, some people say, let's see what I'm going in the pot. Woo! Wow! See that, my paper? Yes, man, ready. Ready. Watch what going on, people, now forward up, that's rest this right, that's But no, people, seasoning time. So watch what going on. We have a piece of ginger. Yes, man, so we have to slice up that. Yes, man. If people don't know say ginger can go in a soup, you know. Yes, ginger can go in everything with people. Everything. We have garlic set there. We're dicing up. Yes, man. One of people red pea soup with chicken. Yes, man, a chicken, another one. I want to do pig steal it. You understand? We're going to drop in a pepper. We're fling in the thyme. And we have the scallion. This is how we do the scallion, people. You can beat your scallion, you can put in a scallion same way, and you can cut up your scallion. This is how I do my scallion, people. So ring it. Yes, people, you ring it and pop it. Ring it, and just do like that. The paper. This one thick and nice. We are going to fling in the next Scotch bonnet pepper, my people. And I have our next piece of garlic, my people. Because we don't want to drink no raw soup, you know, my people. Yes, man, you have to season up your thing, you understand, my people? And I have to turn that down, people. Yes, man, pata style, man, turn. Yes, man, we are going to turn it. Oh, God. You see that, people? Food cooking up, people. Yes, man. Cook, my people, they cook. Yes, man. Yes, my people. All the peas mash out, you know, my people. Everything cook out. Yes, man. But we not worry about what mash out, my people. Everything I got one belly. Yes, man. You see, look now, my people. Oh, God. You pretty, not true? Yes, man, but I not say looking at your belly. Mash up, man. Yes, so people, I don't know how vibes top and all the bigs there and night, yeah. So we are cover up back that and we are going to move on to the chicken noodle. So people, this is how we do the chicken noodle. We're going to pour it in a dish or a bowl, whatever you call it. Yeah. Gonna do like that. Now we have some Grace coconut milk powder. This is not really my style still in people, but through the hours on up on me, and I get to blend no coconut, but I'm sure now I have to go and stay. Right, that's my people. I will pour some in this my paper. Yes. Then I have a little water here. And I make it a little warm water my paper. Yes, my people, just like that. And then I go mix up that, my people. I have a wooden spoon to, you know, people. Yes, man. Yeah, 1 and 2 things, man. Yes, my people. So you just barely do like this, because you don't want it dash and burn you up. You just take your time. Take your time and stir it. The reason why I use the warm water is to melt out the chicken noodle. Now people just pour it in the pot, and when you drink you find lump. Yes, some people, you don't want that, so you have to do like this. Yes, man. Now we're going to throw that in the pot, my people. Okay, my people. We're going to pour in it. Yes, my people. My people, nice and easy. Yes, my people. Then I go stir that again. As me say story, but a torry. Yes, man, pata style. Understand? Yes, my people, torry. Torry, man, torry it. See, my people. Yes, man, I watch you 1 and 2 white, you know, see everything going to cook out. Next time you help me back, my people, and I see that. Yes, some people, I can see where I go and look. Yes, man, it's thick and nice. You know, water, my people, you see it? Yes, man. We pray out now, people, because we want food to eat in the plate, you know, so. The next time you open up, people, I eat, we are going to eat, we are going to drink some soup. Yes, man. So I can see what I go on in the pot again. Ooh. Yes, people. People, no think you ready? I could take a look now. I could take a look, people. No tell me if you're ready. You look ready? Nah, here no man. You look ready? Okay, alright then, my people. Since as you look ready, my people, we're going share. Yes, my people. We are going to share. See the people. Now remember, no people, I might plate this in my people. The thing cooking on my people. Yes, man. The thing cook my people. Yes, my people. I want my pepper there. My pepper, I look for my people. I can't find my pepper. I love my pepper, I know. Right, my people. I'm not sure how I'm going to people make the rest this right over. Ready. See my people. Ready, my people. This is how you soak my people. I understand? Well thick and alright. Yes, man, I have all the extra pepper in my people because I love pepper, you know. Yes, man, so we are going to drink some soup. Yes, my people. Now, we take time with the one of my people. Hey, yeah. With that trouble in here. What do you say with that, big? Nah, you no man. I'm not talking to my people. Trouble. Yes, man, popcorn style, man. Trouble. But you want to go on the people. You don't know anything going on. Yes, man, you're big there in the night, yeah. Just don't put in the work. You understand, so you don't know anything going on. Like, subscribe and share my people. I'm going to eat some food and also check out. Boom.